Well, good morning everybody. On this lovely summer's morning, you might well ask where I am. Well, I've come down that little lane there and parked in this massive free car park here. Always a winner for Torbay, because I'm heading on foot down that path down there and we're going to Watcombe Beach. So what's so special about Watcombe Beach? Well, in Victorian times it was described as the gem of Torbay. Bathing huts, cafes, great little space to go. However, in early 2020 it was closed due to severe storms, flooding, disrupted the footpath, made it dangerous to proceed down here. So the local council closed it. Well, why am I here? Because in July of this year, July 2023 that is, they opened it up again. They spent works, they spent money, and they spent time diverting watercourses, creating it so it was a safe space to come down, to walk down. You do need to bear in mind it is really steep, but come with me and let's go and see what it's really like. I don't know if it's coming out how steep it is down here, but that's where we're going down. So I always remember this as being a really steep path, not the kind of place you'd probably want to bring young children or those less able, because it is a right older heart breather, shall we say, heavy breather, whatever words you want to use on the way up. But it is, of course, a lovely walk down to what should be a lovely bay. You can imagine in early 2020 when we had those really bad storms, the rain was hurtling down here, creating all sorts of problems and moving the path and really making it unsafe. So well done for the council. They've taken a few years, but well done for the council for restoring it, because it is, and it always used to be, a fantastic little place to go. And of course, with that free car park at the top, always a winner in my eyes. And anyway, so you can see the path as it opens up. All tarmacked on this bit, which is nice. I seem to remember a bit further down was where the steps were, where the water got underneath, and that had made it, well, unsafe. Some steps were normal size steps and some steps were massive steps, but either way they just didn't work. You can see coming into view there what used to be the toilet block. I'm not quite sure if that's still open, but obviously in its heyday. I'm also reliably informed in its heyday there used to be a really nice cafe down here. So let's go and see if that's still true. There were only a few cars in the car park, so I doubt it, but we can always go and have a look. Now, of course, this does bisect with the southwest coast path, which is actually here. You can see here the southwest coast path sign on this board here, and that will take you up that way. That'll take you up that way, and that heads to Maidencombe, where I've done a video on before, which is the next bay along. So I'll put the link to that down below. But let's carry on down. So here you go, really carrying along, and that will take you onto Torbay and the southwest coast path, all the way up those steps, if I can get it right, all the way up those steps up there. Right. I don't know if you can hear that, the water lapping in. I'm hopeful. It's a lovely day, there's blue sky, the tide should be in, so it should be a really nice view, so do stick with us on that. Oh, here you can see some of the works that were done, diverting the water courses, This has all been resurfaced here, which is good. This makes this walkable. As I say, this building here used to be the toilets. I'm not quite so sure it is now. Certainly some great urban graffiti on there, but yeah, I don't think it's the toilets now. Can you begin to see the sea down there? Oh, here's somebody walking back up. Morning.
Morning.
What's the water like?
Delicious.
Delicious, ah. There you go. So some steps here on this steep bit, and the first glimpse of the waves. Oh, there's someone fishing down there. And here we go. Well, I'm pleased to report the steps are nice and even, which is most definitely what you want. This building here, I think, used to be the cafe. It doesn't look to me like it is anymore, which is a shame, but hey ho, maybe that'll open in future with a beach reopening. Who knows? Well, it's nice there's actually normal steps down here. These apparently were all broken and all damaged and dangerous, as they say. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Watcombe Beach. The tide's in at the moment, which is fine. Let's pan from right to left. Just look. Oh, you can see here where some of the landslides have happened and the detritus that's come down previously. I'm sure that handrail's not supposed to be like that. And while we're here as well, this is the cafe that once was. Not anymore. Let's pan out that way. Wow, wow, wow. How magnificent is that? This is the cafe that once was. I was told it was a lovely cafe, tables and chairs out the front. Not anymore. I guess when the beach was closed, it just wasn't able to function. Maybe it'll open sometime in the future, who knows, but yeah, definitely a lovely place to work. When you think looking directly out from the cafe, this is your view. I mean, come on. Wow. Just wow. Simply stunning. Simply stunning. Listen, thank you for watching. That's Watcombe Beach. If you ever get the chance, come on down here. I don't think you'll regret it. I am at high tide. It's about high tide now. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like when the tide goes out. I can see lots of rocks and stuff, but that's fine. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please do leave a comment or subscribe. Thank you very much.